Hello, I'm Hugh. Today I'm going to be making a Philly Cheesesteak Wellington. So let's break that down. So it's a fillet of beef wrapped in puff pastry, covered in a provolone cheese sauce. Oh my God, I hear you say, that sounds absolutely amazing. Time to crack on. I'm going to make the duxelle. This is loads of really finely chopped vegetables. And that's it. Bloody done. Basically, including mushrooms and shallots and green peppers. Traditionally, you put thyme in, but we're not going to do that. No time for thyme. We're going to take that out because I think it makes it a bit too fragrant, and we just want those really base, earthy notes that you often find in a Philly cheesesteak. They're very traditional. So what you do is you take your butter and you add all your vegetables to the pan, and you want to cook them down super slowly. It takes about 40 minutes. You don't want soggy pastry, you don't want soggy duxelle, you just want delicious meat. Bring on your fillet of beef. This is probably one of the most expensive cuts of beef you can get. It's like prized for its amazing dense texture. It's a really good foil to the puff pastry, that crisper outer shell. So you want to season that liberally and whack it into a pan. You just want to brown it very lightly on both sides. People often make the mistake of going for a kind of steak effect here, but all you're doing is sealing some of those juices in and getting a tiny bit of colour. Traditionally, in a beef Wellington, you would put foie gras down. Foie gras is not the wokest of ingredients. Making such good noises. So if this was like an ASMR video, this duxelle would be the star. So there it goes, duxelle down, bam. And now we're going to put down the Philly cheesesteak element. We're going to put some provolone in. Oh yeah. Got some Parma ham, again, to add a bit of fat and seal in some flavour. You're just going to put a bit of egg wash. Now it's time, the all-important wrapping part. Now this is quite scary for some people. If it makes it easier for you, you can put some baking paper underneath. That helps you kind of lift up the edges. Just put him in the fridge, let him chill out, think about what he's done. Right, time for cheesy sauce. So there's your provolone. You can toss that with some cornstarch, make sure it's evenly coated, and this is like quite a good sort of, it's almost like a cheese sauce hack because it's so simple. Just get your evaporated milk, throw your cheese in, and let it bubble up, and you've instantly got this amazing and really delicious glossy sauce. You're going to pour it all over that Wellington at the end. So he's come out of the fridge, he's really chilled. I'm going to score it just because it makes a pretty pattern when the puff pastry rises up. It really is pretty. You want to glaze this with some egg yolks that have been beaten. Right, so orange, isn't it? What a glorious sunset egg yolk. If you're just doing it with eggs, you're going to end up with a kind of matte surface. Do it with salt for a nice glossy shine. Oh wow, there he is. He looks amazing. He is glossy, that pastry is so crispy, so puffed up. It looks insane. There it is, beautifully cooked, if I may say so myself. And the duxelle looks nice. There's cheese around the outside. Wow. Serve that with some chips and lashings of your amazing provolone sauce. You can see how soft that steak is. It's super soft. You don't even need a knife, you can probably just use a spoon. It looks amazing. And wait for it. Is that a little cheese pull I see? Hello there. Anyone for the delicious fit? Thomas? Ian, you can come as well if you
If you put provolone in the...
Yeah, there's provolone in with the crust
nice.
as well.
And a bit of Parma ham.
And a bit of Parma ham.
The beef's cooking. Really good.